Thank you, Drones Goa, for coming for the Ponsache Fest at the Goa College of Pharmacy. We're having a wonderful day today because this is a truly accessible and a festival for all. As you see, there are about 30-40 stalls, different varieties with people from all over Goa here. We have children who have come from National Association of the Blind. They are here to sing songs. You can hear Reshe with Nankar at the back singing. We have Gautankar coming from Pomorpa. We have students coming from Lok Vishwas in Ponda who are blind painters. So we have all sorts of people here. The food, as you see, are been done, cooked and brought from the villages of Goa. Pilan, Kalangut, Saligao and Merche, Santa Cruz, Saligao. So we have vendors from everywhere. And if you've seen Santan Rebello from Taligao, he's doing the Rota Sound chair. Rama is on his way, he's 100% blind, he'll be doing Molla. Plus that we have so many young kids who are going to be singing and performing. And for all this you don't need money. We have not taken sponsors, we don't take, there are no prizes, there is no chief guest, no alcohol, and we don't use other people's money to celebrate Goa. So you don't need any of this. If you've got the will, we can do anything in Goa because we got fantastic weather, great soil, we got all the fruits in the world, and we got the best cuisine. So it's up to us. We cannot wait for somebody else to save us. We have to do it ourselves. Just a few words. I would like to thank the media. They've come in force to yet again to support this event. And I can see a lot of our friends here. And we cannot forget all our friends here from National Association of the Blind, to Lok Vishwas, Tukaram's here, Santan's here, our chess friends are here. 4 years ago we had done a festival called Guzgancha Fest in Santa Cruz. So I'm happy that they are loyal to me and they keep coming wherever we go. So we won't take much time because the next program is all ready. You have to turn back. We're going to start slicing the ponos, cutting the ponos. Yes.
Poilo ponos घेवपाक जाय मागीर कातरपाक जाय कातरपाक जाय माव काडून जाय तेजी माव काडटको तेल लावपाक जाय हे सॉरी कातो कातो जातको मागीर हाती तेल लायताय आनी मागीर गोरे काडटाय पणसाचे वयर
म्हाका सांग पणसाचे फेस्त हे एक मारियेसाचे फेस्त हे आता म्हाका दिसता दुसरे काय तिसरे पणसाचे फेस्त आसतले करेक्ट हय पणसाचे फेस्त जेन्ना तो म्हणटा तेन्ना हे व्हडविकाय कितें गोंयाचे दृश्टीन हे पणसाची कितें व्हडविकाय आनी तो सेलिब्रेट कित्याक करचो
सांजवांक आमी चड करून नवो जावई आसा गांवांत तेका घेवन बायल उडी मारता आनी सगळे लोक गांवचे वाड्याचे जे येता तांकां आमी पणस आनी आदी एक बाटली फेणयेची दिताले आनी थोडे पयशे आमी म्हटलें की पणस जो आसा न्हू तो आमी ह्या सेलिब्रेशनान घेवपाचो ह्या फेस्टिवलान घेवपाचो आनी तशी सुरवात जाली पणसाचे फेस्त तेज्याच वांगडा हांगासर सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रूप जे आसा ते पणसाची चिप्स करता थोडे लोक साठां करता थोडे लोक फिलॉस करता जाल्यार हे सगळे पणसाचे जे गिन्सा भाशेचे पदार्थ आसा ते आमी त्या फेस्तान भितर घेतले आनी गांवचे लोक सुपांनी भरून पणसाचे घरे हाडून लोकांक वांटूंक लागले फुकट पणसाच्या पानांची आमी पत्रावली करता जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी तेची तोपी सुद्दां केली म्हणजे पणसाच्या फोल्याची एक तोपी करपाक अशें पणसाचे जे फेस्त आसा न्हू तितून वाडत गेले
खंय तरी म्हळां हांवें आयकलां की पणस हो कल्पवृक्ष कसो माडाक कसो आमी कल्पवृक्ष म्हणटात सगळे हेवटेन बेनिफीट ताजे हे कशें सांगता तूं सिग्निफिकन्स
पणस म्हणटकूच आमी झाड जे आसा तेजे कांड आमी चिरून फोय करता दारां जनेलां आनी आलमारी अशें सगळें करता येता तेजी पानां जी आसा ती बोकड्याचे सारकी लायकी खाण पानां तो भिकारी ना विशारी ना म्हणटूच आमी तेजे खोले आसा ते दोणे करपाक वापरूंक लागले ड्रोन करपाक वापरूंक लागले करपाक लागले तशेंच आसा पणस पणसाचे घरे आमी खाताले कापोय जे साश्टीन बी बोरकोय म्हणटात आणि रसाव जाका साश्टीन पणस म्हणटात हे दोनूय तरेचे आमी पणस वापरतात. रसा पणसाची भिंगटाय एकठांय करून दवरताले माती जावन थोडी सुकोवन दवरताले पावसान तेजी सांबाळी करपाक शाकोती करपाक ना खतखत्यात घालपाक.
पान घेवपाक जाय पयले आनी मागीर ईर तोपूंक जाय. ईर तोपून मागीर पीठ घालपाक जाय. पीठ घालूंक जाय मागीर उपरांत हें घालूंक सोय आनी गोडाचें तें घालतकच मागीर पोत्तें पीठ लावपाक जाय. पोत्तें पीठ लायतकच मागीर कोपऱ्यान घालूंक जाय. आतां तूं सांग.
आनी हितून मागीर बॉयल करपाक जाय 20 minutes.
उदक घालूंक जाय सोपो.
I have been associated with Marius, our Festakar, for the past 8 years, and it has been an incredible journey of learning and gaining a new and fresh insight into Goa and some of the traditions which are, have died out or little known in common circles. So I've been a city kid growing up in Panjim, and for me understanding some of the culture of the land and having that connect to nature and all has been difficult for me, because all I grew up was buildings. If we wanted to run, we would run within the building, not in open fields or the garden. So our understanding of what Goa is and nature was very less. And it only developed once I started interacting with Marius and understanding a lot about the traditions and the various aspects of our culture, whether if it is food, whether if it is a festival, or even meeting a lot of interesting people. And I think that has been the biggest takeaway for me and my learning.
Another highlight of the Ponsache Fest is the Gumot, which was notified as the state instrument of Goa in August 2019. Gumot is a heritage instrument of Goa and is used in most of the folk songs. The Goan Gumot also features in a soundtrack called Goa Beach by award-winning composer Kuljit Bamra in his new album Namaste Bombay.
We are at this festival, that is Ponsache Fest, Marius Fernandez's 84th festival. What is important about this festival is they are inclusive. They are held in accessible places, and so that people from all communities, from all walks of life can participate in these festivals. This is one of the very highlights of this festival. For instance, for this today's festival at the Goa Pharmacy College, which is a very accessible place, we had several groups coming from various parts of Goa. For instance, we have one girl, hearing and speech impaired. She is Sadia from Bicholi. She came with another hearing and speech impaired friend, and they had a stall of handmade various jewelry. Then we had children from Lokavishwas Special School in Ponda. There were children, visual impaired children, fully visual impaired, who were painting here live. So the idea is that people who come for these festivals to enjoy, at the same time they understand the issues of disability, people with disabilities, they get aware about the needs of these disability people, needs of accessibility for persons with disabilities. We had a group of children and teachers from National Association of Blind at Santa Cruz. These children, two children, one of them was fully visual impaired and one of them was partially visual impaired. They were playing chess. Then there was one lady. She is a teacher, that is computer trainer in NAB. She teaches computer to visual impaired children. She is a very good, famous music teacher, and she sings. She sang some songs here. So this gives a idea to the people that a small hand of empathy and no need for sympathy for them. They are educated. Technology is allowing them to be empowered. What society needs is to support them with a hand of empathy, and that was very much evident in this festival here. We have one Bashir from Tonka, Miramar, who collects newspapers and makes paper bags and sells them to pharmacies and others by going around on a cart. So such people need to be supported. So with these festivals of Marius, we encourage people with disabilities, people with small means who have to come forward, and we help them, we encourage them to sell their products.
We have just recently opened up our company known as Adeli's Handmade Alcove. It is all handmade items. Like you can see here, we have crochet. These are all crochet items. This is hand embroidery which we have framed. Initially it was just a small thing where we used to do doilies and tablecloths, and then as we grew we realized that there's many things that we can do with crochet. So we started with flowers. We have earrings, we have done the small flower pot and coasters. These are our trending dream catchers. So all of this we have recently started, and we hope to grow in the future more.
Hi everyone, we are here at the Goa College of Pharmacy today for the Ponsache Fest curated by Goinso Festakar Marius Fernandez, and it's a vibrant atmosphere and it really feels like I'm in Goa. Really, I'm sure in yesteryears people used to live like this, having the foods, the authentic foods and ponos and so on. It's very difficult. Ponos is not really available. Chef Maria is here with some jackfruit seeds. These are boiled jackfruit seeds. So it's been a very long time that we have this. So these are part of the Pilen Thursday Heritage Market, which was started by Festakar Marius Fernandez. And I must say that Father Derek Fernandez, the parish priest of St. John the Baptist Church in Pilen, is doing a fantastic and tremendously beautiful job by keeping the market going. It's an employment for the vendors. Most of the vendors are women, and as a woman, I support all the women who come out of their homes and they balance their lives between this business, which keeps them busy, generates revenue for them, and they are also looking after their homes. So that is multitasking, isn't it? So that's really beautiful. Apart from that, here, this is an inclusive fest wherein there are a lot of people from the disabled communities, and they have come here to perform various performances. We had a Pude workshop which was conducted by Chef Maria Dias and Chef Vinita Simoish, and we have a huge array of programs coming up now and a lot of stalls with local produce. So I think if all goes well, then Festakar sir would think of having a market here every month. And July, what do we have in July? August, we have the Patoyanche Fest. So I am really looking forward to having Patoyo soon. Thank you so much to Drones Goa for supporting all our festivals. Thank you.